In this video, the last video of this chapter, I'm going to look at touching circles, and I'm going to look at just one other little question that could be asked with relation to chords. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is touching circles. If circles touch, they could touch in two different ways. They could touch externally, which means the two circles are outside each other, or they could touch internally, which means one circle would lie inside the other. Now, just one thing for you to know. If the circles touch externally, then the distance between the two centres of the circle, so the distance, will equal the radius of one circle plus the radius of the other. So if you can find the radius of one circle and then find the radius of the other, add them together and then find the distance between those two centres, and if they equal each other, then you can say they do touch externally. Okay, and how you'll do that? Well, you'll use your distance formula for the distance between these 2 points, and to find the radius, well, you'll usually be given the equation of the circle, so you can find the radius from those. Likewise then, if the circles touch internally, the distance between the two centres of the circle, so the distance between those, will be the radius of the big one minus the radius of the small one. Right, and again, you'll get the two radius or two radii from the equations of the circles, and you'll get the distance between the two centres of the circles using your distance formula. Okay, and if they don't give you the centres of the circles, you can find the centres of circles from the equations of the circles. Okay, they'll give you that. Okay, last type of question then. So a circle K has the centre 4, 2. So I'm after sketching it. There's my centre K. Sorry, there's my circle K. There's my centre 4, 2, and it makes a chord 6 units in length on the y-axis. So from here to here is 6 units. Find the equation of K. So to find the equation of K, I need the point, the centre point, so the centre. Well, I have that already. It's 4, 2, and I need the radius, which I don't have. However, I could use my knowledge of geometry here, trigonometry, and coordinate geometry. So watch. This chord is 6. If I was to draw a perpendicular line from the centre to here, that bisects the chord. We know that from previous videos and previous topics. So if it bisects it, that means this here must be 3 and this must be 3. I know this here must be 4. Why? Well, look, it's 4 on the x-axis, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 on the x will take me to there, so therefore that must be 4. So if that's 3, this bit here, and that's 4 here, could I not use Pythagoras' theorem, because that's a right angle triangle? Could I not use Pythagoras' theorem to get the diagonal, which is the hypotenuse, which is also the radius? Using Pythagoras' theorem, and you should know this answer anyway, that'll be 5. So the radius will be 5. Right? They want the equation of the circle. Okay, I'll give it to them in not general form. So x minus 4 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 5 squared, which is 25. Okay, so there we go. That's it. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks.